Hi guys, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today is Make It in Minutes Monday. We're excited to be here with you. I was going to show you a preview of the card, but I'm actually going to make it as we go. So it's going to be a quick and simple card for you. Basic layout that you can use for any card, any stamp set, dies, all that kind of fun stuff. So let's get started. We're going to be using this stamp set right here. It's called He's All That, and the dies that we're going to be using is All That. It's in the new annual catalog for Stampin' Up! And we're going to be using this circle die right here within this bundle. This is a fun one. I love the stamp sets. The stamps that come in it, and then also I love this die. It matches perfectly, obviously, with some of these stamps in here. So I'm going to put that aside. All the supplies that you're going to need are going to be listed below in a link, and we'll have a post over to our blog as well. We're going to be using Night and Navy ink. We're going to be using this stamp right here. It says Every Day With You is Another Adventure. And we're going to bring in our die cutting machine. This is our Stampin' Up! Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine. We're going to be using our Timber 3D embossing folder, and so I'm going to bring in our big Night and Navy, our big Highland Heather piece, and we're going to emboss this. I'm going to run this through the machine. So we have that done. We're going to take our two pieces. Now you can use a scrap piece of paper of the basic white. We're going to stamp our image in Night of Navy. We're just going to place that right there. Okay, perfect. Move that out of the way. We're going to take that circle die that we picked out earlier. We're going to lay that right over the top of this. Next, we're just going to take and start assembling our card. Okay, next we're going to layer up our embossed piece. Now, decide on which side you like. I like both of them, so, you know. We're going to layer our designer series paper directly on top of our Night and Navy. This white piece is actually going to go on the inside of our card. All right, so now we're going to get some Tombow glue, or not Tombow, we're going to get some dimensionals. We're going to take our sentiment, and I'm actually going to put just a little bit of glue and put it off to the side like that. And then last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of bling or sparkle. We're going to use the glossy dots. It's in the new annual catalog. And I think I'm actually going to use the Pool Party. So there we have it. Very simple, easy layout. You can use with any designer series paper, and it turns out just gorgeous. So if you have any questions, please let us know. And also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly card inspiration or crafting inspiration, make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find the link to subscribe in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.